Welcome to your North Street Pete Oasis, where this meticulously renovated pool home invites you to experience the epitome of modern living. Boasting a thoughtfully designed split floor plan, this residence encompasses 3 bedrooms and 2 baths within its 1,570 square feet of sheer elegance. Upon arrival, the fully pavered driveway sets the stage for a grand entrance, leading to a nicely designed home adorned with ceiling fans and high-impact windows.Step inside, and the living room welcomes you with tastefully crafted bamboo flooring, providing a warm and inviting atmosphere.To the left. Discover 2 generously sized secondary bedrooms, complete with a second bathroom featuring a unique tub shower combo with a faucet that elegantly turns blue when in use, a delightful touch of sophistication. Continuing the journey through the living room, a versatile family room awaits, currently serving as a serene reading retreat.Transitioning through the dining room unveils the heart of the home, a chef's dream kitchen. Revel in the luxury of a gas stove, a convenient pot filler, space for a breakfast table, updated cabinetry, pantry, and stainless steel appliances.Venture towards the rear of the home, and the surprises continue. Enter a vast utility room, creatively repurposed as additional sleeping quarters due to its generous size. Adjacent to this multifunctional space lies an office and the master bedroom quarters, creating a private sanctuary separate from the rest of the house.Enjoy personalized comfort with a mini split unit in the master bedroom, contributing to energy efficiency. The master bath features a walk-in shower and a single vanity, complemented by extra storage in the hallway.From the office. Step through the high-impact sliding glass door to the fully fenced backyard, revealing a tranquil pool. Oasis.Maintenance is a breeze with the automatic pool cleaner. The backyard also boasts a matching shed that blends seamlessly with the home's design. On the side of the home, a covered sitting area provides a peaceful outdoor retreat, alongside the propane tank, conveniently filled by the cellar about once a year. All appliances, including the washer, dryer, and kitchen appliances, are included in the sale, while furniture is available separately. This residence is not just a home, it's an embodiment of comfort, style, and functionality, offering a haven in North Street Pete that surpasses all expectations.